In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emoji in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your life, your projects, and even your thoughts with its incredibly versatile setup. One of the features that makes Notion stand out is the ability to add emojis. Not only do emojis make your pages more visually appealing, but they can also help categorize or emphasize certain details. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to make your Notion pages pop with emojis. First things first, you're going to want to open Notion on your computer or mobile device. Don't worry, this will work across all platforms, so whether you're using Notion on a Windows, Mac, or iOS device, you'll be able to follow these steps easily. Once you're in your Notion workspace, open the page where you want to add an emoji. It could be at the start of a list, in a heading, or simply anywhere you feel an emoji would be fitting. Next, simply go to the section of the text where you'd like the emoji to appear. On a computer, you can open the emoji keyboard by pressing the Windows key and the period key simultaneously if you're using Windows, or Command and Control along with the spacebar on a Mac. For those on mobile devices, this step is even simpler. Just tap into your text box and select the emoji icon on your keyboard, which is usually placed on the lower left or right side. Once your emoji keyboard is open, scroll through and find the perfect emoji that fits the vibe of your page. Whether it's a smiley face to brighten up a paragraph or a light bulb to emphasize a brilliant idea, there's an emoji for every occasion. After selecting your desired emoji, just click or tap on it, and voila! Your emoji is now beautifully sitting within your Notion page. Feel free to repeat this with as many emojis as you like to add personality and clarity to your notes and plans. If at any point your emoji keyboard doesn't pop up, double-check you're in an editable text box. If you're still having trouble, you might want to ensure your device's operating system is up to date, as sometimes that's a factor. And there you have it. Not only do emojis make your Notion pages visually appealing, but they can also help streamline your organization by adding a quick reference point. With these simple steps, you'll make your Notion workspace as lively and efficient as you are. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!